This is the tutorial to make guitar wire wrapping for Feel-A-Fly DIY jewelry making kits number 3. Materials and tools. Here are the lengths that needed to be cut for rose silver wire. Here are the lengths that needed to be cut for copper wire. This gold color metallic bead is already included in the box. Here are the tools needed. Let's start with shaping part. Shape 7 inches. Rose silver wire as the outline of the guitar. Cut the extra wires. Shape rose silver wire 5 inches as an outline. Cut the extra wires. Shape another rose silver wire 5 inches as an outline. Cut the extra wires. Shape rose silver wire 2 inches as an outline for guitar's neck. Shape rose silver wire 3 inches as an outline for music note symbol. Hammer the wires to create the texture. Weaving part. Attach these 3 parts at the beginning together with copper wire 14 inches and wrap using this weaving pattern. Wrap the remaining wire using this weaving pattern. From here, wrap copper wire around the bottom part to the other side. Continue using weaving pattern from step B. Then using weaving pattern step A at the end. Cut the rest of the wires. Wrap copper wire 5 inches around rose silver neck part. Attaching part. Use copper wire 5 inches to attach neck parts together, like this all the way down. Cut the rest of the wires. Attach gold color metallic bead to the bottom part using copper wire 3 inches. Cut the rest of the wires. Attach the music note symbol. You can create jump ring using rose silver wire and attach to the guitar if you would like to. All done, jewelry will magically turn antique after. There are more designs for our Feel-A-Fly DIY jewelry making kits. Please check out our website and social medias.